Imagine a world where death is no longer the end. What if our minds could live on, uploaded to a digital realm? This is the promise of mind uploading, a concept that blends science fiction with cutting-edge science. It offers a tantalizing glimpse into a future where human consciousness transcends the limitations of our biological shells. But this potential breakthrough comes with profound questions about what it means to be human. The idea of mind uploading, also known as whole brain emulation, rests on the premise that our consciousness is a product of the information processing that occurs in our brains. If we can create a sufficiently detailed map of this information and then transfer it to a non-biological substrate, theoretically, we could achieve digital immortality. This concept has captivated philosophers, scientists, and futurists for decades. It raises fundamental questions about the nature of consciousness, the meaning of life, and the very essence of what it means to be human. The first hurdle in achieving mind uploading is to create an accurate and comprehensive map of the human brain. This map must encompass the intricate network of billions of neurons and trillions of synapses that make up our neural architecture. It's a monumental task, akin to mapping every star in the Milky Way galaxy. Current brain-computer interface technology is rudimentary compared to the complexity of the human brain. We can currently decode simple brain signals to control prosthetic limbs or move cursors on a screen. However, mapping the full spectrum of human thought, emotion, and memory requires a far more sophisticated approach. Advances in nanotechnology, imaging techniques, and artificial intelligence are bringing us closer to this goal. Once we have a comprehensive map of the brain, the next challenge is to find a suitable substrate to host the uploaded consciousness. This substrate must be capable of replicating the computational power and complexity of the human brain. Quantum computers, with their exponentially greater processing power compared to classical computers, offer a promising avenue. Another possibility is the development of entirely new computing paradigms inspired by the architecture of the brain itself, such as neuromorphic computing. These technologies are still in their infancy, but they hold the potential to bridge the gap between biological and digital consciousness. The successful development of mind-uploading technology could usher in an era of unprecedented possibilities for humanity. Imagine a world where knowledge and experiences can be shared instantaneously, where physical limitations are a thing of the past, and where death is no longer inevitable. Uploaded minds could explore the universe at the speed of light, delve into the deepest mysteries of science and mathematics, and create breathtaking works of art. We could potentially merge our consciousnesses, forming a collective intelligence of unimaginable power. The implications for human progress and evolution are staggering. However, the prospect of mind uploading also raises profound philosophical and ethical dilemmas. One of the most fundamental questions is that of identity. If we create a digital copy of our minds, is that copy truly us? Or is it merely a sophisticated imitation? What happens to our consciousness when we die? Does it cease to exist, or does it transfer to the digital realm? And if our digital copy can continue to learn and evolve independently, does it retain our original identity, or does it become a distinct entity? These questions challenge our understanding of what it means to be human. The ethical implications of mind uploading are equally complex. Who would have access to this technology? Would it be available to all, or would it be limited to the wealthy and powerful, exacerbating existing social inequalities? How do we ensure that uploaded minds are treated ethically and with dignity? What rights and responsibilities would uploaded minds have? Would they be considered citizens with legal protections? These questions require careful consideration and open dialogue to ensure that this technology is developed and used responsibly. The nature of existence in a digital realm is another fascinating area for exploration. Would uploaded minds be confined to virtual environments, or could they interact with the physical world through robotic avatars? How would our perception of time and space change in a digital environment? Could we accelerate our subjective experience of time, living out entire lifetimes in the blink of an eye? The possibilities are as limitless as our imagination. The development of mind-uploading technology has the potential to fundamentally alter the course of human history. It could lead to a future where the boundaries between the physical and digital worlds blur, where death is no longer inevitable, and where the limitations of our biological forms are transcended. However, it also presents us with profound philosophical and ethical challenges that we must confront. It compels us to re-examine our understanding of consciousness, identity, and the meaning of life itself. As we stand on the cusp of this technological revolution, it is essential that we proceed with caution, wisdom, and a deep respect for the sanctity of human consciousness. The quest for digital immortality is not merely a scientific endeavor. It is a journey of self-discovery that will shape the future of our species. It is a journey that we must undertake with open minds, open hearts, and a shared commitment to ensuring that this technology is used for the betterment of humanity and all beings. The future of existence awaits, and it is up to us to shape it wisely.